In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Affirm not working on Amazon 2025, step by step. If you're seeing a declined message when trying to use Affirm at checkout, don't worry. Declines can happen for a few common reasons like bank security checks, a mismatch in your billing details, or a temporary issue with the payment network. The good news is, there are clear steps you can follow to get your order moving again. Start by trying the simplest fix. Retry the declined payment. Open Amazon, go to your orders, find the affected order, and choose Retry Payment Method. Before you confirm, double check that your name, billing address, and zip code match what your bank and your Affirm account have on file. A stable internet connection helps here, and it's best to avoid rapid-fire retries. Give it a moment, then try again so any temporary holds can clear. If that doesn't work, switch to a different payment method for this order. Head back to your orders, select Change Payment Method next to the same order, and pick another payment method or add a new card. When you've updated it, select Confirm. This can be especially helpful if your bank is blocking the transaction type, your card has a spending control enabled, or the Affirm option isn't available for that specific purchase. Make sure the card you choose has available funds and is enabled for online transactions. And keep your shipping and billing details consistent to prevent another verification hiccup. If you're still getting declined, it's time to contact your bank. Only your bank can explain exactly why the payment didn't go through and remove any security blocks. Reach out if you know you have available funds, you've successfully used this payment method before, or part of your order was already charged and dispatched. When you speak with them, mention the attempted purchase on Amazon and ask whether a fraud filter, daily limit, or verification step stopped it. They can often clear the flag immediately so you can complete your order without further delays. One important note, if the payment is declined again after these attempts, Amazon will cancel the order. If you still want the item, place a new order once the issue is resolved. Keep an eye on your email and your orders for updates and re-add the item to your cart promptly in case price or availability changes. That's it. Retry the payment, try a different method if needed, and contact your bank for final confirmation. Follow these steps and you'll be back to checking out with confidence. Thanks for watching and good luck with your order.